Hi, my name is Dr. Anu. You may have thought about starting your CSA revision and accessing our video library. I'm going to talk today about how you can best use our video library to supplement your revision. When watching our videos for the first time, we suggest watching them without commentary. You can do this by going into the video library and clicking without commentary. In the video player, there is a blue button entitled Mark Scheme. If you click on this, you should see the full mark scheme, and you can use this to help critique the videos as you would if you were the examiner. Whether you're watching the videos from our website or any other source, nothing replaces your own consultation structure. You should be using them as a tool to help adopt skills and assimilate them into your own consultation style. The community section is a safe place away from social media where you can network and share ideas with your colleagues. Remember, no question is a silly question. Alternatively, if you'd like to speak to us privately, you can email us directly at info@hippocratix.com. Welcome to Hippocratix, tools and videos to help you pass your CSA exam with ease. Come join our community at hippocratix.com.